Well, we do have this second wintry system that's heading our direction. We had one a couple of weekends ago. Now we're anticipating some more rain moving in tonight, some heavy rain for the south. That's going to change over to a little bit of snow before or around dawn. Light accumulations are expected, but mostly it's looking like that's going to be in the south and the southeast. So let's jump right into it. Bluegrass future track showing quite a bit of heavy rain moving in. It looks like most of that's going to stay around and south of Interstate 64, Lancaster, Richmond, Danville, Harrodsburg coming in the upper 30s. So obviously you start to see these temperatures cooling off a little bit, but not down to where you would expect the snow to start piling up. We're not going to make it down to freezing tonight, so that's good news. A lot of heavy rain though for the southern part of the bluegrass. Once we get to about 5 a.m. we start to see that transition taking shape, but really only in the southern and southeastern part of the bluegrass region itself. Notice temperatures still in the mid 30s. We'll see that line quickly sweeping out. Clouds will take a while, but eventually those will clear out as well. Heading down to the lakes region, you're looking at maybe a little bit more snow. Heavy rain though. Take a look at Liberty, Jamestown, Monticello, picking up some heavy rain overnight, midnight, 1, 2 a.m. And then after that, we start to see that transition over to snow as well. Well, those pink and blue colors begin to show up. Temperatures get close to freezing, but not quite. So that's why we're saying a little bit more accumulation is likely in the south, around the lakes region, around southeastern Kentucky as well. Still quite a bit of rain falling in southeastern Kentucky. A lot of that's going to be falling over Boonville, Jackson, Salyersville. And then eventually we see that transition taking shape maybe a little bit later, closer to 5, 6 o'clock, and then eventually continue to kind of sweep on through as we move into mid-morning by about 8 a.m. on Monday. Same goes for eastern Kentucky, starting out with heavy rain. Temperatures remaining in the mid to the upper 30s for most of the overnight period, which is why we're going to see so much rain. It's not until early morning, 5, 6 a.m. that we begin to see the temperatures getting close to freezing, but still notice these are air temperatures, road temperatures. We've been in the 60s for the past couple of days, so it's going to take a little bit more of the cold air that we're not going to see tonight to make it cold enough to where we could have slick roads. So I do not think that that is going to be the case for us. Future rainfall keeps the rain really high though. 1 inch for Williamsburg, maybe London as well. This is going to be most of the heavy rain around and south of Interstate 64. The further north you travel or live, you're looking at maybe between 1/4 to 1/2 inch. So snow totals looks like it's going to be around 1 inch for most. So what we're going with is up to 1 inch. That's going to be around south of Interstate 64 and mostly east of Interstate 75. That will be in southeastern Kentucky, but that also includes Rockcastle, Pulaski, maybe even Wayne County as well. So keep that in mind. That's going to be during your commute tomorrow morning. Low temperatures tonight dip to about 35. We'll be up around 36 degrees tomorrow. Once we get past the snow, we quickly start to see nicer conditions through the day as we dry out. Do want to take some extra time though traveling if you live in southeastern and eastern Kentucky tomorrow morning for your morning commute. We could have some slushy accumulations again up to 1 inch. Watch your bridges and your overpasses as well. After that, we dry out for Tuesday, high of 38 degrees. We keep it cool all the rest of this week, and another rain snow system is anticipated on Wednesday.